What's up, guys? It's me, Pearly, the one and only. What's up? Hey, guys, welcome to Pearlsmas Vlog 6. Ata, ewan ko. Today, I woke up 10:50. Tapos sila Ate MJ, as you can see, wala namang tao dito right now, no? Tita Tel lang and me. Kasi pumunta sila ng cemetery to visit our loved ones dun. Na nasa heaven na. Buti hindi nila ako ginising para sumama ko. Kasi hindi talaga ako sasama. I don't know. Tuwing umaga pag bagong gising ako, I feel like yun yung pinaka magandang time ko. Wala lang, feel ko lang. Okay, feel ko lang. For those of you who don't know, ang height ko talaga ay 5'7". Pero kapag umaga, I'm 5'8". Ito talaga yung bilang mataas ko kapag mga gabi na o hapon. Pero kapag umaga, umaabot ako dito. Minsan 5'9" pa ako. It's because sa umaga kasi, or kapag nakatayo tayo, dahil sa gravity, yung bones natin, pinupull ng gravity towards Earth or closer to Earth. Kaya parang nagko-compress yung mga bones natin. Pero sa gabi, dahil nga nakahiga tayo, pantay yung distribution ng gravity sa atin. Kaya walang nako-compress na bone. Ewan ko kung tama yung pagkakaintindi ko doon or pagkaka-explain ko. Pero ganoon yung pagkakaintindi at pagkaka-explain ko. Alam nyo, I just finished eating brunch. Tapos, ever since I woke up, I kept on watching videos of Conrad Fisher and Belly Conklin staring at each other. Tapos, ewan ko, ako lang ba? Pero the way they look at each other, the way Conrad looks at Belly, does it remind you of someone who looks at you that way? Because sa akin, oo. He looks at me in a very specific way. But it makes me feel so, parang trapped. Parang, kahit hindi ako magsalita, he knows everything that I'm going to say. Hindi ako kinikilig. It gives me anxiety, actually. Kasi I don't wanna end up with that person. Same way that if I were Belly, I wouldn't want to end up with Conrad. Ganun eh. Gets you ba yun? I don't care if you guys come at me for my opinion, but I think Conrad is bad for Belly. But, ewan ko, syempre, diba yun yung ending, eh? Wala naman tayo magagawa, eh. But if I were Belly, I will go for Jeremiah. Ewan ko, if I do end up marrying the person that's in my head right now, yung sinasabi ko na the way Conrad looks at Belly and the way he looks at me, dude, sasabihin ko sa inyo on my wedding day. Kasi for sure, iba-vlog ko yung wedding day ko eh. Wedding day ko na yun, tapos hindi ko ba iba-vlog. But I hope I marry someone na kasing light ni Jeremiah. But at the same time, restricted and formal like Conrad. Gusto ko yung kind of love that John has for Savannah. Grabe yun, bro. Grabe. Tsaka yung pagmamahal ni Channing Tatum kay Rachel McAdams sa The Vow. Damn, I want that kind of love, bro. Heist. Ay, nako. Saan ko kaya makikilala yung the one, no? Nako, Lord. For the past few days, my routine has been wake up, edit, export, go to sleep, wake up, go down, eat brunch, then go about the rest of my day. Pero ngayon, when I woke up, I felt lazy and just doom scrolled for an hour and a half. And now, we're gonna watch television. But before we watch television, I'll first do the dishes. Hi. Hi. I like this song of Olivia Dean. It's a cover and I like it. Abuela! Abuela! Kumain! Nilaga! Yung ulam namin. Opo! They're home. Hi, Tay! Hi! Hi! Totoo? Totoo? Nakita mo? Okay. Ang kate ng butas ng tenga ko. Ang kate. guys. Kuya and I are gonna have a Monopoly rematch. This is our Monopoly. We bought this last year. Here's Kuya. He's currently a loser. 2.
Magkano to?
100.
Okay. How?
Paano ba? Ano nga yung rules?
Hindi na tayo maglaro. Mahirap maglaro doon. Huwag na.
Sahig, oh.
Huwag na, madami.
Sahig. Ayos tayo na.
So, they bought me my favorite instant noodles. Nagpapakulot ako ng tubig ngayon and I'm just waiting for it to be hot enough. Since it rained, nadiligan siya. Hopefully, tumubo siya, di ba? Then look at the rest of the plant crew. The plant crew.
Ano sa stand niya? Hindi mo. Siyempre, mag-opinion ka.
Baka siya naman ang ulan. Crazy. There's rain. Oo nga, lola. Oo nga, lola. My second cup noodles. Kasi si Ming, ididikit na niya yung wreath sa pader. I mean, sa wall. Look at this. Ew. Secret handshake. What? Secret handshake. Big face loser. Secret handshake. Wait. Poop, 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 poop. I just took a shower. I partially cleaned my ear. Hindi ko na mapakita yung katawan ko kasi hindi pa ako nagbibihis. Guys, alam nyo, today na-realize ko na I feel so down. I feel so sad. I feel so depressed. I feel so lazy. Unmotivated. Negative. Frustrated. Angry. Lahat na. And I don't know why. These are suppressed emotions that I have been setting aside for the past month because last November I was so busy. So I was like, okay, negative emotions, negative thoughts, negative feelings, mamaya ka na. And now I'm feeling them all at once. I'm editing na, and in case I haven't mentioned it, nung Tuesday was my first time booking and riding a Move It. In case I haven't mentioned it lang naman. Fit for tonight. Simple yeah. Kasi ito yung pinto namin. It's nice. Parang last year. Wala pang park na garland. Tapos wala pa rin kaming decor outside. Hindi ko alam anong petsa na. Parang kaming decor. Nervous love life. Our ulam is nilaga. Singing, fixing the garland. Fixing the garland. Mamaya pag uwi ko gawa na ni Ming yan. Because mommy is the Grinch.
Grinch or Gwarch?
Haba ng buhok ko. May ano ako, inner tigihawat. Ang sakit. On the way to church. Nagdala ko ng payong ni Lolay para sure.
Is just Casper upang bumunot ang ating mga winners.
Everyday siya may ganyan. Everyday
Ang
siya
unang
may
nanalo ay may ticket ng si Lazo. Number 003484. Ito ay si Christine.
Sisigaw ko. Gab. Gab.
Ang ikatlong nanalo may ticket number 0039. Jose Enriquez. Wala sa Congratulations sa parish office. Pakidala po ang winning ticket stub.
Ganto kami gabi-gabi.
So ganito kasi,
Hinahatid.
dahil hinahanap kasi ako ng nanay niya.
Hindi, walang may
Ng
pake
nanay
sa'yo
niya,
sa
ng pamilya
bahay.
niya. Kasi,
Wala.
you know, I'm so special to their family that they couldn't see Pearly going home without me being there to support her going home.
Wow! Ang kapal, wala. Gumagawa
Kasi
lang niya yun.
hindi siya papayagan if I wasn't there with her.
Partially true, pero... partially true.
Wala.
Pero yung part na hinahanap ka, hindi. Walang may pake sa'yo, wala. Kaya ang
Pagka
gawin
sinabi
mo,
mo hindi ako yung kasama mo, papayagan ka.
syempre hindi. Pero,
Ay,
Pero-
nako, yun lang yun. Baseline,
Yun-
pagka hindi ako kasama, hindi papayagan siya.
oo, wag na mag-video. Nakakaayoko. Payong! Cellphone! Ayan yung nagawa ni Ming. Ang ganda. Pero wala pa siyang ilaw. Pero ang ganda. Oo nga, Lola eh.
Hindi naman si Rocky yan.
Opo.
Nagabulan niya Rocky.
Opo. Okay. Tay is going to clean my ear. My ear hole. That's bright. 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 That is so bright. Bright. Just imagine how my ear would look like with a flat.
Come here.
That is it for this vlog, guys. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and look at my earwax. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And remember, do not be afraid. God is with us. Bye!